day, and I'm flashing cash. Let's see if I'm recording anything. Yeah, looks like I am. Okay, I'm flashing for gas on my last square. I don't have much gas in the lawnmower stuff. I just put it all in the lawnmower. But I got a little bit. Okay, hold on. Okay. Put gas in the beast. I wonder if anybody else has this problem. I don't know if you can see this thing right here, this slot. It's supposed to go in that slot. Mine was never very straight. You can see it's kind of disfigured right there. Maybe you can see that. But anyway, so when I put my seat down, I have to move it over and make sure it gets in that slot. Kind of silly. But boy, when it doesn't go in that slot, you really know it. Let me see if I think I'm recording. Yep. Okay. Showed you a picture of the new piece of foam that I put on the GoPro. I had one once on there before. I don't remember why it got torn off or blown off or whatever. But anyway, it wasn't there. And I had to clean off some glue that was there. So, beginning of this season, I didn't have it. Been doing these little yard work. Had to put my weed and feed down because anything that's green right now is bad. So you can see I got a lot of bad in the yard right now. But that weed and feed will sure kill it in another week or so. And we'll be fine. Hey, puppy. So we're going to take a little windy ride around the lake. When the wind is the worst is at the lake. You want to do Dead Man's Curve or? Yeah, we can do that. Put my visor down, got my gloves on, got shoes on. That's an improvement. Downshift. Ended up in second gear. Go to first gear. Yeah, this is windy. If I lose my microphone entirely, and I might, then not having wind noise but can't record my voice is not near as good as what we were doing with using two microphones to pick it up, and that was working pretty good. Fourth gear. This is really, there's no stop sign or yield sign here at all. So I guess you can just kind of do what you want to do. Which is kind of the way Bristow people drive anyway. Nobody on the curb, so I can cut across. Did that start here? Alright, boy, I got wind noise now. I can hear it, but I don't know what the GoPro is holding. And again, it's coming from the south, which is, that's when it's warm enough to ride your bike around here, you know? When the wind comes from the south in the winter, and we're still in winter. Hello, car. Please don't run over me. Yeah, the water looks a little rougher. Well, they were saying we had 12-mile-an-hour wind. It feels like more than 12. But that's makes it feel good. So, we'll see how it does. Should have reset my tripometers. We'll do that just shortly. As soon as I get away from all these pieces of metal that can kill me. Let's pull off right here. Try not to go in the lake, right? Try not to go in the lake. What? Okay, third gear, second gear, first gear. Kickstand. Yeah, let's shut it down for fun. I'm going to take a glove off. And go to, I'm on trip A, so if I hold it down, yeah, it went to 0. Okay, trip B, hold it down, go to 0. Alright. We zeroed that out. I did get the clock on the Honda to show the route amount. 3:22. 3:22 in the afternoon is about as early as I can get out. I usually could have gotten out by 1 if it was warm enough. But my son left his bike on the porch coming in last night, and I can't get mine out if his is on the porch. Dang kid. Okay. Check your mirrors. There's a pick-em-up truck coming, so I think I'll wait until he gets here. Make sure there's none behind him. I got a little road out here that I need to ride down. It's kind of rough, but it'll give us an east and west, and maybe not quite so much wind. If there's any wind getting to the microphone at all right now, I don't know. I won't know until I get back. Second gear downshift. It's a yield sign, so we can get on through here. really hate to go very fast on it. There's not any big holes, but they are frequent. Somebody knows the mayor or something, because they fill them in pretty regularly. Here's a big old truck coming down this road with little old me. I hope he doesn't come over and get a piece of me. Yeah. Alright. The wind is coming from my left shoulder and going across. My neighbor and I were talking about this road, and I've never taken it out very far, I don't turn it. But he says that it will get to Depew. Depew is kind of the next town down. Oh man, that's rough stuff. The next town west of Bristow on Highway 66. So we're going to get really nice pavement right here for a little while. They replaced this bridge down here. Put a big deal bridge on here. And how about that? And we get new pavement for a little while the road is behind us. Oh, I tried to go from 4th to 5th, and there is no 5th. Okay, now it's going to get rubber to cob again. We'll go up the hill at 3rd. Mostly because I need to slow down. Oops, the phone is leaning on my arm. Holy shit. Guess we hit some hard stuff, huh? Holy shit. I lost a screw. I think I lost a screw, guys. Oh no, it's the Allen wrench has come loose. Well, how about that? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls, this holds my phone up. That Allen wrench right there came loose, and it's the back side of it has I don't know, spokes, I guess, whatever you call it, little teeth. So if it's tightened up, it stays where you tightened it. But the tighten up part of it didn't do very good. My thought was to put a washer on this thing, but that would screw up the teeth. So I'm thinking I'm going to pull that screw out of there and put some Loctite on it, maybe. Screw it back in there and, turn it all it can turn plus one more. That's my plan. Thought I'd tell you about it. I'll insert that in there so you don't have to watch me working on it all that time. I may cut that out, who knows. Okay. Back on the road again. Me and Billy Nelson, I guess. Try not to come over the top of these hills in the middle of the road. You become a foot ornament. Holy moly, that guy's doing some excavating. Wow. Get back to the house, I'll put a lockwork on that Alice. Hopefully this will run will not hamper for pets. I just hope the Allen wrench doesn't fall off while I'm bouncing it around. I don't think it will. It doesn't get any worse. I'm going to ride this all the way to DPU, which is, I don't know how far, maybe 12 miles? Uh-oh. Tell you what will stop me, though, is dirt. I don't like dirt. Messes up my bike. They got dirt. Yeah, I don't like dirt. So that experiment's gone to shit. There is a lot of dirt roads in Oklahoma that are well traveled. See that one right there? Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that road. There'd be a little washboarding in it, which is not exciting on a motorcycle. But a lot of times not as bad as a car. But you're back to it coming up behind you. And I don't want to get my bike dirty. So I don't need to do that. We're just here for an audio check anyway. And just put the gas in the old Honda Super Cub. Watch that guy just make it while I'm think about that. Fine looking house there. That looks like it's got a mother-in-law's quarters, corrals, barns, all kinds of stuff, and lots of hay. There's all that excavation going on. That must be down at the bottom of the next hill. these phones just going smoke. Whoa, this is bumpy as shit. Yeah, let's go over here. What's that doing? He's gonna cut that thing in the water if it's not careful. Hey, that might be something to film, right? Well, for some odd reason, I kind of stopped filming there, and I never did film coming home. But I don't know. Sometimes you don't plan ahead, right? But anyway, uh, that's having a minor emergency where your phone falls and lays on your hand while you're going down the highway. That was exciting, but the phone wasn't going to fall out of there. It was clamped on pretty good. So that just made for an interesting afternoon. I was scared for the phone and didn't like that dang holder in the first place, but now I'm going to try to fix that. And but this has been an adventure uh, of an old man on his Honda Super Cub, and you guys are going to have to come and see us again. Let's see, what is it? Like and subscribe and donate and give me a comment. I'd love to have some comments on some of this stuff. Maybe I'm not as funny as I think I am. All right. See y'all next time.